Hi, I'm Keith from eMotors Direct, your go-to source for motors in Canada, offering unbeatable availability and technical support. Today, we're spotlighting the Baldor Farm Duty Motors. When it comes to farm duty motors in Canada, Baldor Reliance by ABB is a standout choice. These motors are built tough to handle tough applications, from small family farms to large commercial operations. What sets Baldor motors apart? Their durability, especially in Canada's harsh weather. The epoxy paint and IP54 rating keeps dust and moisture at bay. Plus, the laser-etched nameplate ensures your motor specs are always readable, even after years in the sun. Installation is a breeze with color-coded leads and a large terminal box for easy setup. Inside, you'll find polyester resin and multiple sealing layers for top-notch protection and longevity. These motors are designed to be as low maintenance as possible, thanks to the sealed bearings. You'll never need to re-lubricate them, just install and go. The rust preventative coating on the rotor ensures long-lasting performance, even in tough conditions. Proudly made in Fort Smith, Arkansas, Baldor Reliance Farm Duty Motors are among the few available options still made in North America. For easy installation and long-term reliability, they're an excellent choice. Find all your Baldor motors at eMotorsDirect.ca. Shop live inventory or contact our technical team for personalized support. Thanks for tuning in.